Hello and welcome parents to Summer Boost, brought to you by Save the Children. Every 2 weeks you'll receive a Summer Boost packet within the mail. Once you get your packet, logging in is super simple. First, you will open up the packet and open up your mobile phone. Click on your camera app and hover over one of the QR codes. Once you hover over the QR code, a YouTube link will pop up on the top of your screen. Simply click on it and it will take you to a YouTube link where an educator is ready to help with our summer activities.